Ancient folk medicine. Suduro degli piedi. Sweaty feet. To prevent sweaty feet, put inside the shoes either sulfur powder or myrtle leaves. Instead, if you have walked a lot, take a foot bath with water, vinegar, and crushed red onions. Boldness. To avoid air loss, take a green lizard and drop it from above into a pot with oil. If the green lizard comes up supine, then turn on the heat and bring to a boil. Then take the lizard and rub it on your head. Other remedies could be washing the head with warm cow urine or even with human urine.
Dandruff. The best way to get rid of dandruff is to wash your hair with your own urine or with vinegar or wine.
Trizzi di donna, or braids of a woman. Some men are born with a clumps of hair, twisted, on the back of the head. It is said that they are the work of women of fora, which is women from outside, being supernatural, often evil, but in this case they are protecting the child. So who took out this clump of hair? The women of fora will never forgive him, and in addition to bring misery into the house, they will cause the unfortunate squint and stiff neck. However, if it falls alone, there is no consequences. Scolulo. You heal by wearing your shirt inside out, or even by wrapping a woolen rag around your waist. Risipola, or erisipelas. It is an evil spirit that attaches itself to the body. Some remedies to fight it. A woman must hold a patch on the forehead of the patient and constantly saying, "Believe in the Lord, believe in the Lord." Another remedy is to tear off the hare's testicles and rub them over on the face. Yet another solution is to throw urine on the sick part and say, "I'm going to the sea. I'm going to throw it away, the sick part." And finally, take a sheet of tissue paper. Draw this cross and keep it on the infected part for exactly 24 hours without missing a minute. Rusania. It is recommended to wrap the baby in a red silk cloth. It is also advisable to make the child drink a good lentil broth and boiled wine.